My name is Ashley Beam. I am a Senior Director of Engineering focused on AI enablement and strategy. I became interested in artificial intelligence really a long time ago. Data has always been fascinating to me. I became fascinated with tools and ways where we can draw insights and where we can draw conclusions from that data. In order for AI to become Agentic AI, to become mainstream, we've got to put feedback loops and systems for feedback loops in place. We also need systems that monitor AI responses and AI actions in a meaningful way and can alert us when bad decisions are being made. Right now, the academics and the theories about AI are further ahead than our feedback loop systems. We also need data controls. We need systems in place to control and maintain the data and keep it clean, keep it up to date and not stale. If we have Agentic AI that is using stale data, it will be making bad decisions about that data. So we need processes that can ensure that our data is clean, up to date, and tagged and categorized appropriately before we can really make great strides with Agentic AI.